Okay, we're given a sequence and says find the 14th term and the sum of the first 14 terms. So I'm going to write the sequence down for you. I said the sequence is A, and with the understanding that A1 now, I'll write this over here, A1 is 5. It's the first member of that sequence, 5. Then I do the differences down. Let me get my highlighter out. And, 14 minus 5 is 9. And then 15 minus 14 is 1. 8 minus 15 is minus 7. Minus 7 minus 8 is minus 15. And then I'm going to say D1. That's the first member there, which is 9. All right, let's do the next one. 1 minus 9 is minus 8. Minus 7 minus 1 is minus 8. Minus 15 minus a minus 7 is a minus 8. This is a good pattern, by the way. D2 is minus 8. And why is that? Everything there on out is going to be a 0. All right, everything. So what do I do now? I'm going to move on to answering their questions, which is they want the 14th term now and the sum of the first 14 terms. Let's write this down. So you should realize that AN, this is the form that we've derived in the lecture portion, and I'll highlight it for you. It's right over here. And what's nice about this is that, provided I know the D's, which I do, D3 forward is 0. So the only thing I got to do now is I got to just do this portion right over here. I'm just going to concentrate on this because everything after that is going to be 0. What do I want again? I want A14. So wherever I see N, I'm going to put 14 down. And so I see an N here, that's 14. I see 14 there, 14 there. And now, what's A1? Let's go back over here. A1 is 5. What's D1? D1 was 9. And what was D2? Minus 8. Remember, everything after that's going to be 0. All right. Now, I'm not going to do the computation for you, but assuming that you do the computation, you should get this number over here. All right. Again, if for some reason you're not getting that number, you know what? Maybe I made a mistake. I don't think so, but maybe I did. Reach out to me. Let me know. I'll check. All right. Now what do they want? They want the sum. Let's go back over here of the first 14 terms. So, kind of just looking at the terms, S1 is really easy to write down. It's just the first term. S2 is the first 2 terms. 5 plus 14, so forth and so on. But we want to get to S14. Now, S14 is going to be the sum of all the terms, 5, 14, 15, 8 minus 7, all the way up to A14. So this over here is A14. What are we going to do? Put the sum formula down. Predictable pattern, by the way. This is the sum formula. And let's write this down. With the understanding the N is 14 here. So wherever I see an N, I'm putting the 14. Now, someone says, well, why are you stopping at D2? Let's repeat this. D2 is the last non-zero number. Everything that follows here is going to be a 0 now. So I stop at D2, all right? I'm stopping that form at D2. I'm not going to go to D3 or D4 or D5, yada, yada, yada. So the computations, although looks difficult, oh, by the way, this is A1. This is going to be D1. Let me just make sure I did say D1 was 9 and D2 was minus 8. You're going to do that computation. And again, I'm going to assume that you get that number over there. I don't think I made a mistake, but you know what? Maybe I did make a mistake. All right? If I made a mistake, please reach out to me. As I said, you have my email. You can let me know that. Thank you.